myth that B2B marketing is boring and bland. In fact, I have seen many B2B brands, probably even selling the industrial balls, make more buzz in the market than any other lifestyle brands. So, if you are the one who thinks that your product is too technical for creative marketing, let's bust this myth together today. So the idea itself that the B2B buyers do not appreciate creative campaigns is really outdated. I mean, how can we forget that B2B buyers are also human beings? They are also equally present on LinkedIn as much as the B2C buyers. The B2B buyers also watch videos. B2B buyers also read blogs. B2B buyers also appreciate the storytelling engagement in a very creative format. In fact, in one of the LinkedIn B2B Institute report, it was clearly mentioned that the creative campaigns actually have 10 to 20x more growth conversion than the rational oriented campaigns. In one of the episode, I had shown that how Google and Gartner had reported that the emotional connect leading or driving to the brand preference is much higher in B2B than in the B2C players. So are you still looking out for some proofs? Well, let me try to give you some very famous examples. Not to forget that famous MailChimp campaign. Are you looking for MailChimp? Where they actually created series of those quirky mini brands, indirectly reminding about the MailChimp, which was a great way to connect with the audience, which really drove their awareness in the SaaS space. Another good example is of famous GE's Unimpossible Mission campaign, where GE actually drove the entire industrial engineering into, I would say, cinematic storytelling, which really impacted in a huge brand awareness and brand preference for them in the science and healthcare segment. And not to forget the very recent Razorpay campaign during IPL 2025, where Razorpay did something completely unconventional, where they utilized their own ad space instead of promoting themselves, but they actually shifted the spotlight to the 37 entrepreneurs who came in from their own accelerator rise. So this was a beautiful example of doing something really out of the box, unconventional, unboring, and which really touched the chords of the people, the common people, in a very, very different approach. And what did it lead? It actually improved their net promoter score by 1.2 times. It improved their brand love by 1.6 times. And they improved their brand awareness by 1.5 times. So next time, ask this question to yourself, whether you are hiding behind the technical jargon of your product or you are actually very successfully sparking the curiosity. Is your brand mere a brochure or is it a conversation starter? So if you are ready to break this myth of the perception of boring B2B to unforgettable B2B marketing, let's connect and do it together.